महानुभावहरू नमस्कार सबैमा सम्पूर्ण लगानीकर्ता मित्रवर्गहरूमा फेरि पनि स्वागत छ। म एउटा हट टपिक्स लिएर उपस्थित भइसकेको छु हजुरहरूको सामु। This video is educational purpose and analysis. Investors awareness analysis risk and reward in your decisions only भन्दै वेलकम छ हाम्रो यो कार्यक्रममा। अब कोरोना भाइरसको कारणले कसैले पनि आफ्नो जीव ज्यान गुमाउन नपर्ने, जीवितै रहने युरोप 52 मिनेट्स अगाडि मात्र पाइएको छ यो अपडेट। कोरोना भाइरस पुटिन सेज भ्याक्सिन हेज बिन एप्रुभड फर युज भनेर आएको छ। अथेन्टिक न्युज हो BBC न्युजबाट। अब हेरौँ यसले के भन्दो रहेछ। Vladimir Putin. President Putin said one of the daughters had been vaccinated against the virus. कोरोना भाइरस सम्बन्धी यो न्युजलाई पढेर हजुरहरू पनि तीन छक्क र तीन दङ्ग पर्नुहोला र हजुरहरूलाई पनि हाम्रो च्यानल लगातार रूपमा सब्सक्राइब गर्न हुन पनि हार्दिक अनुरोध। अब हामी अगाडि जान प्रयास गरौँ। Russian President Vladimir Putin has said a locally developed vaccine for COVID-19 has been given regulatory approval after less than 2 months for testing on humans. Mr. Putin said the vaccine had passed all the required checks, adding that his daughter had already been given it. Officials has said they plan to start mass vaccination in October. Experts have raised concerns about the speed of Russia's work, suggesting that researchers might be cutting corners. It might fears that safety would have been compromised. The World Health Organization (WHO) urged Russia last week to follow international guidelines for producing a vaccine against COVID-19. Amid fears that safety would have been compromised, that World Health Organization (WHO) urged Russia last week to follow international guidelines for producing a vaccine against COVID-19. On Tuesday, the WHO said it has been in talks with Russian authorities about undertaking a review of the vaccine, which has been named Sputnik V, Sputnik-V. Currently, the Russian vaccine is not among the WHO's list in vaccines that have reached phase 3 clinical trial, which involve more widespread testing in humans. Coronavirus vaccine when will be one? More than 100 vaccines around the world are the early development, with some of those being tested on people in clinical trials. Despite rapid progress, most experts think any vaccine would not become widely available until mid 2021. What did President Putin say about the vaccine? Calling it a world first, President Putin said the vaccine developed by Moscow's Gamaleya Institute offered sustainable immunity against the coronavirus. He said he knew the vaccine was quite effective without giving further details and stressed that it has passed all needed checks. Oh. यसरी चाहिँ अब भ्याक्सिन चाहिँ आउन लागेको छ, आउन खोजेको छ, एप्रुभ भइसकेको छ। रसियन गभर्मेन्टले लगाउन पनि सुरु गरिसकेको छ र यो बिबिसीबाट प्राप्त न्युज हो। यस सम्बन्धी हजुरहरूलाई कमेन्ट भएमा लेख्नु हुन अनुरोध छ। त्यस्तै हामी फेरि पनि खोजौँ अर्को न्युज। ट्र्याकरमा नहोला। अल जजिरामा पनि छ 15 मिनट्स अगो। Russia has developed first coronavirus vaccine live. Yeah. President Putin says his daughter inoculated with new vaccine that provide efficient during tests. Putin. President Vladimir Putin said Russia has developed the first vaccine offering sustainable immunity against coronavirus. New Zealand announced its first locally transmitted coronavirus infection in 102 days. भन्दाखेरि अब हाम्रो यो कोरोना भाइरसको चाहिँ आइ नै सकेको रहेछ हैन। अनि फ्याक्ट्रीहरू देशमा यसको लागि फ्याक्ट्री चाहिँ रेडी पनि भएको छ। उत्पादन गर्नको लागि पक्कै पनि अब यसले असर त बजारमा पक्कै पनि राम्रो नै डाल्छ कि जस्तो लागिरहेछ मलाई। हजुरहरूलाई कस्तो लाग्छ? अहिले भाइरसको भ्याक्सिनको कुरा गरौँ। Russia registers first coronavirus vaccine in the world. Russian president says coronavirus vaccine developed by Gamaleya Research Center is registered by country's health ministry. Moscow. The first coronavirus vaccine in the world has been registered in Russia. President Vladimir Putin announced Tuesday the vaccine developed by the Gamaleya National Research Center has officially been registered with Russia's health ministry, Putin told a meeting of members of the government in Moscow. Putin added that the vaccine trials yielded positive results, with all volunteers has built up immunity to the coronavirus. He added that one of own two daughter has among of vaccines first recipients. After inoculation, she has a high temperature for 2 days, then developed immunity, and recent tests found a high level of antibodies against the virus, said Putin. He stressed and the vaccination will be strictly voluntary and free of charge. Mass vaccination as early as October. The vaccine is based on the human adenovirus and contain dead COVID-19 participants particles. COVID-19 particles which cannot multiply and are therefore safe, said Alexander Ginzburg, head of the Gamaleya Center. However, it is provoke and immunity response such as high temperature to the introduction of foreign substance, he added. The vaccine is called Gamma COVID Vac, standing for Gamaleya COVID vaccine. It is designed to administered through two injection to prolong the immunity. The vaccine will be co-produced by the Gamaleya Center and Binopharm, a Moscow-based pharmaceutical. In the first phase, doctor and early and teachers will be the immunized. Mass vaccination in export to start in October. Early, the Association of Clinical Trials Organization ACTO asked the Health Ministry to delay registration of the vaccine, saying the trial had not had enough test subjects. But the ministry rejected the request, saying the group's claims fail to take into account the trial results. Since appearing in Wuhan, China last December, the novel coronavirus has spread to the least 188 countries and the territories. The US is leading with the most confirmed infections with 1.09 million, followed by Brazil with over 3 million cases and India with 2.27 million, according to the data compiled by the US Johns Sparks University with nearly 9 million cases. Russia is among the hardest hit countries. भन्दाखेरि कोरोना भाइरसको भ्याक्सिन तयार हुँदैछ रहेछ अनि बिस्तारै ठिक हुन्छ सबै कुरा। अरू भन्नुहोस् के छ हालखबर? यति भन्दै हजुरहरूलाई चाहिँ अर्कोमा आउनु हुनुपर्छ। नमस्कार सर नेप्से, कतातिर जाला, कता चाहियो, तल भने तल, माथि भने माथि, तल माथि गरेर यो अगाडि हिँड्छ। नमस्कार सर, आजको नेप्से उड्डा चड्डा लेके भएको सक के लेख्नको मिलेन, के हो यो? अब हजुरहरू केही मिनेटमा फेरि उपस्थित हुनुहोला। हामी फेरि लगातार रूपमा अघि बढ्न प्रयासमा छौँ। 5 मिनट